Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain you what do you mean by addressing mode and what are the different types of addressing modes are available. So here, first of all, we will check what is the definition of that addressing mode. So in that instruction, there are two operands. First of all, there is a destination operand and the second one is the source operand. Suppose I am writing here the move instruction and we can consider it as move destination comma source. So here whenever we are writing this instruction, that time it consists of these two operands, that is destination and the second one is source. So in this type of addressing mode, we can identify which type of addressing mode will be there in that particular instruction. So how we can identify this addressing mode? The definition of that addressing mode is the way in which you can represent your source operand, that is called as an addressing mode. So whenever this 8086 execute that particular instruction, it performs the specific function on your data, and the operated data will be stored in your memory location. So there are various techniques will be available to specify the address of that particular data, and that technique is called as addressing mode. So whenever I am writing here move destination comma source, so here with the help of this source we can represent the type of addressing mode. In the exam, the question can be asked identify the addressing mode, or else the question can be asked explain addressing mode with the help of example. So here these are the different types of addressing modes are available. Basically there are two basic types of addressing mode. First of all, memory addressing mode, and the second one is input output addressing mode. So the first type is memory addressing mode. So in that memory addressing mode, it is used for storing the data for our source operand into our memory location. So this type of addressing mode is further divided it into multiple parts, and total there are 8 parts are there, and the first type is immediate addressing mode. So these are the different types of memory addressing modes are available. First one is immediate addressing mode, second one direct addressing mode, third one is register addressing mode, fourth one is register indirect addressing mode, fifth one register relative addressing mode, sixth one is base addressing mode, seventh is base index addressing mode, and the last one is relative base index addressing mode. So these are the different types of memory addressing modes are used for storing the data, or storing the source operand and destination operand in our memory register. So in the next lecture, we will see all these types in detailed manner.